Well, y'all, today is October the 18th, Saturday, and I'm back out here on the lake again. Looks like the water temperature is showing 68.9 degrees. Seems like that'd be perfect for crappie fishing. I'm gonna give them a try. The other day I came in and there was a bunch of bait fish out here out in front of the boat where it hits the big water, and there was some crappie in there chasing those minnows. So I'm going to try them right there first, and then if I don't find them right there, I'm going to move on and start doing what I normally do, which is trolling and covering a lot of water. So y'all wish me luck. Hey ducks, what y'all doing? Got a bunch of ducks out this morning, enjoying this cool fall morning. Feels good outside. Got a couple of mallards there on the right, a whole bunch of mallards up there. There he comes. We got our first one here. Been out here about 10 minutes. I'm gonna ease him in here, see if I can actually get fish in the boat. Get my hands all stinky, you know. Boy, that thing is surfing. That is one little crappie right there. Okay. You're alright, you're alright. There you go. Alright, there we go. First one, little bitty crappie. I'm glad to see them little crappie in here. See you, buddy. Alright, that's the first one. Got us another one here. This one's pulling pretty good. Get over there on the other string now. Come on now. Stay on. He's fishing pretty good. Easy now, stay in the water. Nah. Yeah, all right. Come here. Come on. You're gonna flip it. Gotcha. All right. That's number two. A little bit bigger. Pretty little fish. All right, buddy. See you next time. You going? Boys, we got some kind of stud of some sort here. Oh, that's old bass. Thought I was hung on the bottom. I'm fishing 2-pound test line here. We just gonna have to just sit here for a little bit. And just see if we can get him in here. He's sneaking up here, but I've got a feeling he ain't done yet. At least I don't want to lose my lure on the fish, you know. He ain't acting up yet. He's just swimming around right now. He thinks he's good. He's about to see me, though, and change his mind, I think. Oh, there he comes. Yeah. Come on, don't break my line off. Yeah, I figured he wasn't quite done yet. Come on in here. You gonna do it again? Gotcha. All right. That's a pretty good bit of fish for 2-pound test line, you know. But we got him. That's the number 3 fish of the day. See you, buddy. Next spring. Now we got us another one here. Let's see. That's going to be a crappie right there. Let's see if we can get the 4th fish in a row actually in the boat. The odds are not in my favor. What we're gonna do is just try to just take them a little bit easier than I normally do. Keep him down in the water. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's tired. He's tired. Little bitty guy. Look at there. What a pretty little crappie. These are black crappie. You can tell because they got all broken up. The speckles on them. Let's see here. There we go. Pretty little crappie. See you next spring, buddy. All right. We're going to keep trying. That's number 4. Well, I had 2 strikes and had 2 fish on, and both of them got off before I could get the motor shut off on them. And get them hooked up good. We're going to, maybe I'll just sit right here for a minute. I had 2 on, so we're going to sit right here and just cast a little bit. We got us one here, something sort. And there we go. That's number 5 right there. Good, that's a little better fish. See you, buddy. Yeah, that's another big fish here, it looks like. I think. Taking a little line out, I'm just gonna let him hold it. Well, we got us one here if we can keep him on there. There he comes. That might be a bluegill or something. Sure enough. Don't you look at her. Big old rooster bluegill. And boy, he wasn't going nowhere. He was hooked deep too. He was hooked up to good. All right. That's a nice fish right there. Let's get a picture of it and I'll let you go. You're all right. Attaboy. Attaboy. I knew that was coming. All right, there we go. We got a good picture right there. Big purple-headed bluegill. See you, buddy. Well, we got the world's smallest crappie, I think. Easy guy. Nice little tiny bass. I'm not sure if I'm happy about that or not. Having a little bass in here or not. Oh, and I got one back here behind me. How in the heck did I get? I must be hung up on the bottom right here. Yeah, I am. I think. Hung up on that same stick that got hung up the other day. Let's go over and get it. Well, look at them nice humps down there on the bottom. Y'all see that? You never see that on the fish finder? I think we got one, ain't? Oh, yep, we got one. Must be a bass the way he's swimming. He's pretty good size for this little tackle here. Here he comes. Got them boys over here watching me. Say, how in the heck is he catching all these fish and we can't catch nothing? I don't know. Maybe because y'all don't fish out here every 2 days like I do. Maybe. Let's see what we got here. There's a little bass here. Yeah, you got a mouthful of grass too. Yep. The boys are saying, man, what's going on? How's he catching all these fish? Alright, we're getting screwed up here now. Here you go. I think that's number 7, maybe? Hey, buddy. I got fishing line all over me here from the other rod. Gonna get set up and catch another one. There's one. That might be a bass. Hope not. Pretty good fish though. I think that's a bass way he's swimming. This is a big old bluegill. That'd be my choice. I think it's a little crappie. Get him over here where we can see what we got here. Yep. Okay. Can I get him up here? Yep. Alright, there we go. There we go, boys. That's what we're here for. He gone. We got us one. 5.4 foot of water underneath the foot. Not a structure in sight. These fish are just out there free ranging it, looks like. But that's the way this kind of fishing works good. You can cover a bunch of water. There we go. Another little bitty one. There you go. There we go. Another little bitty one. See you, buddy. That was fun. That was fun. We're going to rig up another one. Maybe. Yep. Ain't no structure on the bottom of this lake to speak of. And it's bad for trying to locate crappie. So you have to kind of do like I do, which is just plow around here, see if you can catch them. We're going to stay after them. Oh, got us a nice one. It's probably another bass. You coming up? I tell you what, this little spot right here's been productive right here. There's a lot of grass off to my right toward the bank. And these fish are right here. I don't know how many that is, but it's been a pretty good morning. Oh, there we go. That's a decent sized crappie right there now. Let's see how long he is. I think that's probably been the longest one of the day right there. Let's see what we got right here. That's certainly eating size, I think, or keeping size. It's just shy of 11 inches. So yeah, but that's a good fish. See you, buddy. All right. I just had one on the left pole, hit it, didn't get it, then the right pole bent down. There's another little, what we got here? Little bass? Yep. Little bass. Y'all know me, that's my favorite fish, you know. Little stinking bass. But I'll take him. They are pretty little fish. Even though I don't like them. I like them for 10 pounds. But I like catching brim and crappie. We're going to make a couple more rounds and then we're going to head toward the boat ramp. Go in, maybe go right for a motorcycle ride. Well, I just had a big and just broke my 2-pound test line off. Whoop. Wait a minute, we got one live action here. Sure enough. Don't happen too often the way I fish here. But we got him. What we got? Another little tiny crappie. Easy. Easy. There we go. Little bitty guy. Look how pretty that little fish is. See you, buddy. Well, I just caught that little bitty one. Right before that, I hooked the big one, but he snapped my line off. He swam with it for a little bit, but I guess he shook his head. Snapped it off, probably old bass. So it's 20 minutes to 11, so I'm gonna pull a single bait back toward the boat ramp, get on out of here and head on to the house, and don't have to mow any grass today. I'm gonna go on up there, maybe go for a motorcycle ride or something like that. So we're gonna see if we can catch one between here and the boat ramp, and if not, it'll be a good morning.